Hey there, Pharma Greeks Family. How are you all? I think you all are good. Today, we're delving into the core of pharmaceutical manufacturing, GMP and cGMP. I'm your friend. Let's start our journey. What is GMP? GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. Think of it as the solid foundation upon which every medicine rests. It's a set of guidelines that ensure consistent quality throughout the entire drug life cycle, from manufacturing and testing to storage and distribution. Imagine GMP as the strict but kind teacher in the classroom, making sure everything is done right and to the highest standards. For example, just like we follow a recipe to make a perfect cup of chai, pharmaceutical companies follow GMP to ensure their products are top-notch. Key aspects of GMP. Let's break down the key aspects of GMP. First, cleanliness. Just like we maintain hygiene in our kitchen, pharmaceutical facilities must be squeaky clean to prevent contamination.
Here, cleanliness is not just next to godliness, it's next to GMP.
What is cGMP? Now, let's introduce the cGMP, the ever-evolving mastermind. It stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practices. As per US FDA guideline, these are dynamic and constantly evolving. As technology advances and scientific understanding deepens, so too do the cGMP requirements. As technology advances and scientific understanding deepens, so too do the cGMP requirements. It's like having a wise and adaptable sense, constantly adjusting the rules and techniques to keep pace with the ever-changing world of medicine. Example. Think of a self-driving car. cGMP would ensure its algorithms are updated regularly, sensors are calibrated for optimal performance, and safety features are continuously improved. Similarly, in the pharma world, cGMP might involve implementing new analytical techniques, adopting cutting-edge manufacturing processes, and constantly optimizing quality control procedures. Transition to cGMP. Now let's take it up a notch. Enter cGMP, Current Good Manufacturing Practices, Pronsu. The current emphasizes staying up to date with the latest technologies and methodologies. It's like upgrading your smartphone for better performance. cGMP in action. You're in the kitchen upgrading from traditional methods to a modern cooking system for efficiency. Similarly, cGMP introduces advanced techniques to ensure pharmaceutical processes are not just good, but current with the latest advancements. Why are GMP and cGMP important in the pharmaceutical industry? These two guardians of quality aren't just concerned with paperwork and protocols. They're ultimately the champions of patient safety. GMP and cGMP ensure that the medicines we rely on are safe, effective, and consistent. They help prevent contamination, errors, and substandard drugs from reaching patients. It's like having two vigilant bodyguards protecting the well-being of millions. As a major player in the global pharma market, India has a crucial role to play in upholding GMP and cGMP standards. By adhering to these guidelines, we can build trust in our pharmaceutical products, not only within India, but also across the international stage. It's about maintaining our reputation as a reliable source of quality medicines, ultimately contributing to the global healthcare landscape. Why does all this matter? Well, just as we expect our chai to taste perfect every time, patients rely on medicines to be consistently safe and effective. GMP and cGMP are the guardians ensuring the quality and reliability of pharmaceuticals. Reasons for the formation of GMP and cGMP, Keller. Safety purpose, public health protection, economic benefits, global harmonization, etc. Come to know what is the key differences between GMP and cGMP. GMP. focuses on establishing basic principles and best practices for manufacturing. cGMP emphasizes continuous improvement and the use of the most current technologies and methodologies. cGMP may be more expensive to implement due to the requirement for advanced technologies and ongoing updates. It's important to note that GMP and cGMP are not separate entities, but cGMP is the current and most up-to-date version of GMP regulations. Simple. GMP and cGMP are the guardians ensuring the quality and reliability of pharmaceuticals. Let's take another example. Remember that medicine you trust to cure your headaches? GMP and cGMP are the reason why each tablet is consistently effective and safe, giving you relief without any worries. Cricket, let's come to know about the history of GMP and cGMP. GMP, good manufacturing practices. Early 1900s, concerns about the safety and efficacy of drugs led to calls for stricter manufacturing controls. 1938, the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, FD&C Act, was passed in the U.S., giving the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, authority to regulate drugs and establish minimum quality standards. cGMP, current good manufacturing practices. 1970s. The concept of cGMP emerged, emphasizing continuous improvement and the use of the most up-to-date technologies to ensure quality. 1980s. cGMP regulations were formally adopted by the FDA and other regulatory bodies around the world.
Present day, cGMP regulations are constantly evolving to address new technologies, scientific advancements, and global health challenges.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow pharma enthusiasts, and comment down below on what topic you'd like us to cover next. Until then, stay curious and stay informed. This is your friend signing off from Pharma Greeks. See you in the next one. Keep learning. Love you all.